Welcome to our channel. Ready to delete your Telegram account? Follow these steps to permanently remove your account and understand the deactivation process. Step 1. Open web browser on any device. Navigate to telegram.org. Deactivate as account deletion requires web access. Step 2. Enter your phone number with country code. Use the same number registered with your Telegram account. Step 3. Receive confirmation code in Telegram app. Check your Telegram messages for the verification code. Step 4. Enter the confirmation code on website. Type the code exactly as received to verify account ownership. Step 5. Select reason for leaving Telegram. Choose from provided options or specify your own reason for deletion. Step 6. Click Delete My Account button. Confirm that you want to permanently delete your Telegram account. Step 7. Understand the deletion consequences. All messages, groups, and contacts will be permanently removed. Step 8. Note automatic deletion policy. Telegram automatically deletes inactive accounts after 6 months of no login. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.